sitting at night with your monitor and your eyes hurt? You can turn on the lights, but who's gonna pay the electrical bill? There is a solution from AliExpress Light Monitor. Wow. Xiaomi. Alright, so what do we have? What is that? Most likely a stand or some kind of knob, maybe to control the light. Most likely to control it. Huge USB A to C cable. And... oh, that's heavy. That's like proper heavy. You need a AA battery, which are not included. You need 2 AAA battery, which are not included. Okay, let's hope the camera can handle it. It's on auto mode anyway. Press it. Wow. Now that is intense. Wow, such an intense light. I like it. And it's a bit yellow. Why is that? Well, if we turn the wheel, then we can dim it. Dimmed. Okay, let's turn around. I think that's the maximum what you can get. And when you push and hold, you should change the light. Oh yeah. Change the color. See? Different. All kinds of colors. Even the white one, which is, I guess, no, white one is like, nah, not pleasant to your eyes. But anyway, yeah. And when you push it, it should dim. Yeah, there you go. I mean, it should turn off, not dim. Dimming is scrolling. I like it. Finally, my eyes will rest. Thumbs up. Link in the description. Super cool device. I wish they'll be like a bit bigger. But I don't think too much people have 84 inches on their desktop. See you next video.